There was a big real estate developer, like in Delhi you have DLF, you have Ansels. There is a big real estate developer, and he did his business for a long time and gave beautiful real estate to the country. Towards the end of his career, he said, and he thought to himself that enough is enough. Let me stop here and take a retreat. And before that, he wanted to build one of the most beautiful houses of the world. Most beautiful houses of the world. So he had a young supervisor who was with him for the last 15 years. And this gentleman was about 35 years of age. And he called this supervisor, his most trusted supervisor, who was young and 35 years of age, with him for the last 15 years, complete dedication, and helped him in creating wonders. He called him and said, I want to create one of the most beautiful houses. I want your help. And there is no limit to the money that you can spend. There is no limit to the design that you want to do. Put everything that's possible of the world and create one of the most beautiful houses. I give you 2 years, 730 days to construct. And for 2 years, I am going abroad. And when I come back, the house should be ready. Since this is the last house I am going to build, and I have decided to quit as a builder, so I want this to be built, which will be a memory. And his supervisor started constructing and saw that the owner is not there. So he was not there in the country. And he had 730 days to construct. So he thought to himself, that owner is not going to be in this business. He had made his fortune. So let me do a bit of compromise and use substandard material in the inner core and decorate with the most beautiful things so that owner will not know. So what he did, he used material which was substandard, saved substantially, made a fortune for himself, and created this house. After 730 days, when the owner came, he saw one of the most beautiful houses of the world. He was extremely happy because the owner did not know that inside he has used substandard material because that was not visible. And the supervisor has made a fortune. So he was so happy. He said, my dear supervisor, you know for whom I have made this house? It was, sir, maybe for you because you wanted to create the most beautiful house in the world and you want to retire in this house. He said, no. I have made this house to be gifted to you. And he gave the keys to the supervisor. The supervisor was taken aback. What has he done? The opportunity which was given to him to create the best house for himself, he has created a substandard house and he is going to live in that house for the rest of his life. He did a mistake which cannot be repaired. He did a mistake which will remind him of the mistake each day he is in the house. He did a mistake which will always make him depressed, undermine him throughout his life. What is the moral of the story? My dear young children, your parents have given you the opportunity to study in one of the best institutions wherever you are. And you have normally 730 days because most of you are in the 11th and 12th class. If you create substandard material within yourself, not utilizing the 730 days, you will be creating a substandard human being. My request to you is, you are creating your own future. Like the builder, your parents have given you the best opportunity. However, creating this opportunity into a beautiful house for yourself is in your own hands. Realize the potential of these 730 days. That's why I always tell my children, work very hard for these 730 days and enjoy the rest of your life. Or enjoy these 730 days and suffer for rest of your life. Choice is, I am sure, deliberating at an international fora, deliberating in this international council, your realization will come more and more, and going back, you will be going with as an evolved child. I pray Israel to bless you so that you achieve whatever you want in your life. Make us proud, make the country proud, because India is in your hand. The future of India is in your hand. And I am sure India will be, and I do not have any doubt, that India will be one of the most developed nations of the world only because of each one of you, because each one of you is a leader by yourself.